Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a domain on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here at squarespace.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the homepage of the website where we need to go ahead and log into our account. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your Squarespace account where your domains are. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by the homepage right here, which is your dashboard where we can find all the websites that we have. And now guys, we can get started with deleting our domains. Basically guys, to be able to find our domains we do not want to use anymore and we want to delete, all we have to do is just go right here at the top of the screen and next to the dashboard option, we're going to go ahead and find the domains option. So you want to click on domains guys, and as you can see, this is going to open up this domains menu where we can find all the options we can access. We can transfer a domain, get a domain, and so on. As you can see, currently I do not have any domains, but if you have domains, they're going to appear right here in your dashboard and you can find the domain you want to delete. Click the three dots next to it and just click the delete domain option. That's going to enable you to remove it and you'll no longer be using that domain. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.